Welcome to Fleming Agri products in new buildings, Northern Ireland on the banks of the River Foyle. We work out of a purpose-built manufacturing site with over 120 employees spread over day and night shift patterns. Our site is split into two facilities, one for our high volume machines and the other for our larger wheeled items such as vacuum tankers and tandem axle trailers. Our ethos of batch manufacturing helps us offer great value for money to our customers. Our in-house design team ensure that machines are manufactured to the highest level using modern design packages. Manufactured machines start their journey as sheet metal and box section. We have a storage facility to house our raw steel before it is processed to keep it in prime condition. Steel is brought into our cutting room to begin its journey into finished machines. We have state-of-the-art machines for processing the steel, including press brakes, guillotines, rolling machines and saws. Recent investments in our machines have had a pivotal role in increasing our production capacity. Next, the components move into our welding shop for automatic and/or manual welding. All our machines are welded in jigs, ensuring continual accuracy in all our products. Machine components are lifted into jigs and tacked before welding. Our robotic welder works in continuous shifts throughout various jigs for machines we produce in high volume, while larger machines are fabricated by our team of highly skilled welders. Once welding is complete, machines are then washed, degreased and preheated in preparation for coating. Machines get undercoated before being finished in 2-pack paint in our signature Fleming blue. We have a spray line and also a custom-built spray booth for larger wheeled items, allowing for an even coat on all products. Once sprayed in 2-pack paint, all machines are baked in the oven to cure and harden. We have both an infrared and a gas-powered oven. The monorail in our spray line runs right through the factory into the finishing room, allowing for an ease of flow of machines through the factory floor. All components required for completing our machines are grouped in batches and moved into the assembly room for final assembly. We boast a comprehensively stocked stores department with not only parts for our machines but also parts for other brands as well. These parts can be ordered via our e-commerce website for next day delivery. After coating, machines move into the finishing room for final assembly and quality checks. Volume orders are also packed and stacked where possible. Our high-capacity cranes move machine components together for final assembly. Once machines have passed the quality checks, they are then moved into our designated stock area. Our highly skilled forklift drivers then carefully load the machines for dispatch to our network of dealers across the UK, Ireland and further afield.